Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 327, Technical Analysis Edition. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Thank you all for being here on this awesome Saturday night. I hope you're having a great day. I'm having a great day, dude. Having a blast. Jill Torian, what is up, bro? Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. So, yeah, dude, what's going on with crypto, right? Where are we at in the cryptosphere, man? Some scary, spooky stuff happened? Maybe. Right, let's jump onto the stream, dude. Let's jump actually onto technicals and figure out what's going on, dude. There we go. Awesome. Also mean a little bit. Let me turn on the light. There we go, man. Oh, I need to shave, dude. I just noticed my freaking beard is like going completely haywire. Anyways, thank you for being here with us on this awesome Saturday night. Like, for real, so I hope you're having a blast, because I am having a great time, dude. It's been an awesome day. What is happening with crypto, dude? We're getting moving to the upside, right? Why? Why are we getting moving to the upside? Remember how we're calling for this getting bullish? We're actually calling it at a lower point, and we said, look, it might give us some cradling area here. We could be going for a rally, trying to go slightly higher on the price, and it looks like we're trying to hold on. I wouldn't say we're out of the deep, right? So, I mean, we could do a U-turn and come down here like we did here, right? So, you know, still go down, but at least we knew we were going to try to get some support to this level, which we already gotten, right? That's what we were looking for. So yesterday, money flew into the cryptosphere, approximately 1.83% or $6.32 billion. Today, money flowing out, 0.61%, $2.15 billion, or sitting at a market cap of $349.48 billion. Dude, just a cool, like, you know, couple billion, right? Just for fun. With that, Bitcoin dominance. Yesterday, Bitcoin lost dominance, 0.64%. Today's gaining 0.22. So yesterday, Bitcoin actually, look at that, right? See how it's inversely correlated sometimes, right? Bitcoin's losing dominance, but it's gaining price action, right? It's gaining a value. And today, when it's actually gaining dominance, right? It's actually losing value, right? We talked about that, right? So it's better if Bitcoin doesn't dominate that hard. Anyways, let's keep on looking at Bitcoin, right? What's happening with Bitcoin? Sitting at $11,631.31. Now, it just depends on what chart we're looking at. We're going to switch over to the Gemini chart. There, we're sitting at $11,634 on the dot. And what happened? We came down here. We're looking for support near this area. We knew we would get below. I did say we're probably going to try to get above the 25% line of the upsloping channel, and that would be a good close. Actually, closing above this line, the 11,453 was going to be good. So I'm glad, dude, that Bitcoin managed to hold on to this area. I'll anchor to there, you know, move that to there, you know, all things are good, man. You know, the hit bullish that we're calling out, he's playing out right now. We're trying to move down. It seems like we might find support at the 25% down of that upsloping channel, right? Yeah, it looks like we got the support, right? Yeah, dude. Just remember what I said, right? We could still come down here and create some bullish divergence, right? And we might try to go for a rally from there. Yeah, you know, right now I'm a bit weary, dude. I really want to see this get back to 11,000. We knew we had hidden divergence. We wasn't sure it was going to play out that strong. You know, it is playing to the upside. We are in a bull trend, right? Overall bull trend. So, you know, bigger chance that the bullish signals will play out. So again, I'm waiting for this to get back to that 11,800 to feel a little bit safer, right? I'm going to be nervous that we're going to face it as resistance. But at least, you know, it's cooler because I do believe we could be breaking above this area, right? We cooled off a little bit. Remember how I said, like, we want to do something like, I can't remember if it was here on another coin, right? But, like, you know, we were out. Yeah, this was back here, right? Like 3 spikes. So, you know, we were out. We came back in, you know, go out, back in, go out, right? So, again, you know, bull run of 2019, I guess. Right, even back here on 2017, right? Look at that. We came out, we came back in, we came back out, we came back in, we went back out, right? So again, you know, something like this could potentially happen. Right now we're making the first exit. Right, we're coming back to the neutral zone. We could be trying to get for that move to come up. Again, we're neutral, right? We could go either way. But I'm hoping that we are in a bull trend, right? I'm not hoping, we are in a bull trend. And since we're in a bull trend, I'm expecting the bullish signals to play out a little bit stronger. So again, chance that we might, start, if we don't go up quickly to that 11,900, and we manage to find support at the 25% line of the equidistant rising channel, we're probably going to find this as support and just slowly get up here until we build so much pressure, right, between 11,928 and this line that we just explode, right? So with that, let's get the Bollinger Bands out here real quick and see where we're at. We're getting tightness of the Bollinger Bands. Set below 20 simple moving average, facing it as resistance. Figure out where we go from there, right? We haven't been below the 50 on the RSI on the daily in a while. Yeah, dude, we haven't been below the 50 in a while, dude. Since July 21st. Again, sitting neutral at 54.48. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What is happening there? We didn't have anything, right? We're calling for the strong bullish here, dude, here, right? At 7 p.m. last night, exactly 24 hours ago, right? Our chart, right, for 24 hours. We said, look, chance we might get the rally. We did find support, right? Because we're getting bullish divergence at a key support. Now, it did move us to the upside, but we're just finding resistance at the 20. We touched it twice on the 4-hour. Again, we're starting to get a little bit of tightness coming into the Bollinger Bands, right? Not too much, but again, tightness nonetheless. With the wrench of the Bollinger Bands being near the supports, right, and the resistance. So top part of the Bollinger Bands, it's at 11,128, and the bottom part, it's right about 11,453, and that just gives me this feeling that we could run the Bollinger Bands with no problem and still be within the range, and that would be good, right? So again, bearish divergence. What could happen here, right? Again, as I was mentioning, we could still come down here again. Snap, that's text. No, I don't want to write. I want to get this one out here. There we go. Come down here again, touch that area, right? Maybe we make a close there, right? We make a little bit less negative momentum, and maybe come here on the RSI, and then we create some strong bullish, right? Again, but against the RSI as well. That's one of the things I'm worried about, right? Going down and retesting that 11,400. Last time it was a bit scary, dude. We were really breaking below that a little bit. Managed to close above, which was good. We're waiting for that confirmation of closing above that area, which we got in that 4-hour candle. So, a bit scary, but, we managed to stay safe, right? If we come down here again, it just gets to that nervous level that if we lose it, we do have 11,120 to look forward to. And I really don't want to see Bitcoin going there. I hope we can break over the 20 on that 4-hour chart. Yes, dude, me too. Right, so we're rejecting the 20. Remember, when we reject the 20, sometimes we look for lower areas of value. That lower area of value could be here. Maybe it's a little bit lower, right? 11,300 or 11,400, and create that strong bullish, and then try to get that rally to happen. But we do have this sitting neutral on the RSI at 44.18. Let's go to the 1-hour. Don't be scared. Yeah, dude, don't be scared. What do we had here? Hidden bullish, right? No, strong bullish. We called that one out yesterday as well. Haha, we had it at 7 p.m. And then we were starting to rally. Really flirting with this area, dude. It was, even by 11, we were starting to move down again. A bit scary. But we came back to the safe zone. Climbing above that 20, right? Right now, I'm trying to find that support here, which is good. It could give us that potential rally coming again. And maybe have something against the other side, but we do have bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish. Went from a high to a higher high. Our visibility, there we go. Then from a high point to a low point. So again, a strong bearish divergence action to down. So we're getting it. We're finding support at the 20. We could go for a bounce. We're very tight on the Bollinger Bands. With that said, Bitcoin has closed weekly, so we're gonna go look there. How did we do on this week? We lost more than we made last week. Wow. That's good, right? So again, bearish engulfing. Right? That's okay. Right, we're rallying. We hadn't had a bearish engulfing in the last 4 weeks. We had about a month of just green on Bitcoin, right? So that's good, man. Even here we had like, a couple days, a couple weeks, and then, red. We could be consolidating. Because here on the weekly, we're still going higher, right? At this point, it's 281. This point here is 314. So even on the RSI, we're going to a higher high. It's really nothing that I'm worried about there, right? Even against this island. Is the mic low? Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, it looks like it's a little bit low. Snap it. Let me get this going here. Once again, let me fix the mic. Not here. One second, guys. There we go. It's at 100% now. So I don't think there's anything else I can do here on the mic to make it louder. Oh, sorry, that's not the mic I was working with. I know what's happening. Why is it switching to this other mic? Just give me 1 quick second, though. There we go. Awesome. Great. I just cranked it all the way up, dude. I'll actually have to lower it here because I'm going on the red. But there we go, right? The mic should be now. Good. What's that, dude? What's up? At least on YouTube. Or, yeah, Martin, you need to turn your mic up level up a bit. Also, what's up? At least on YouTube. Watch your view count go up. That's significantly better. I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure what my view count's at. I know I got a new sub. Thank you for subscribing. Tells me I have 1 person connected, right? So, I'm not sure if my view count's up, though. Right. On the videos also. I think I had 11 hits yesterday on yesterday's video. So, I'm not sure, dude. You know, I had videos with 21 before, you know, and larger counts. So, let's see. How did yesterday do? 19, 19, 15, 15, 24, 14, 18. You know, it's pretty average, dude. I'm not seeing any like huge significant change here, but it says I have 2 live viewers. Thank you for being here, guys, and for being awesome. Thank you all for being here for sure. Anyways, I'm not sure what else you mean by the view count, but thank you, dude. I appreciate that. I hope the mic level is working now. Let's keep looking at Bitcoin again. Red week, right? Bearish engulfing. And that is this new week that we're starting though, right? That's the week that we just closed. Where's the week that we're starting? Oh, we're having closed weeks, dude. What am I talking about? It's Saturday. Fuck. I thought it was Sunday for some reason, dude. But we are bearish engulfing, so we still have tomorrow to like make this up, dude. FML, dude. I'm having such a good day, dude. I just thought it was Sunday for some reason. There we go. So we're on Saturday, dude. No, forget that, dude. There's like no weekly close. Dude. Just, you know, for Friday was also very good, so it was a lot of fun, dude. Anyways, we're getting the bullish divergence. Again, rejecting here. The 20 on the 1 hour, trying to hold on to that 20. And push higher. We do have bearish divergence, sitting neutral at 50.73. Again, we're at that area where we're in the middle of the channel, more or less. So it wouldn't be weird if we go to 11,400 or we just go to 11,900, right? We're just in the middle. We're still losing some of that positive momentum. We're sitting neutral on the RSI on the 4 hour. You know, we're probably also losing that negative momentum, so we might start making positive momentum. And then on the daily, we're still making more negative momentum. So really not a lot going on right now with Bitcoin, right? It's trying to gain middle ground here, I guess. And with that, I'm going to go over and look at Ethereum. Why not? Ethereum sitting at $391.51. Managed to get a bounce on the divergence that we were calling out, right? We're below the 20 still on the below 20 simple moving average on the Bollinger Bands. I'll just remove the Bollinger Bands real quick so we can look at the chart a little bit better. You know, anchored to proper points. There we go. There we go. So we still have that, right? So again, to the new negative momentum balance. So some hidden bullish potential action to the upside. We're getting it again, not too strong. So there's a chance we could still come down here to 364, right? We're not completely out of the deep end here, so just be careful. Sitting neutral at 53.34. What we had for bullish is playing out, so it could be continue to play out and build to the upside, right? We're in a bull trend. could start getting something like this. Or, you know, it could just keep on moving down and get to this level. Alright? So, again, just keep an eye out for this. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour high, lower high, positive, less positive, right? Strong bullish price action to the upside. We're getting that rally happening. Trying to get a little bit of pullback right now, but again, let's hope we can keep this positive momentum going, right? And I hope it's not short-lived as this one. But again, let's see if we can get again to that $418 area. We don't have anything else developing here, right? So nothing else we can call from the last call we made. Sitting sold at 38.89. Let's go to the 1 hour, dude. Yay, 3 people on YouTube. Thank you all for being here, dude. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like button, that sub, dude. Don't be a stranger. If you have, yeah, join us live. Join us. All right, so we remained, you know, price action to downside. That was fine. I'm pretty sure we were around here yesterday. Yeah, somewhere around here. We didn't have anything. Freaking mosquito. Dude, you know, I caught it, and when I opened my hand, it released flying, dude. It just got saved. I was sure I was gonna do like fatality, finish him, squeeze him in the hand, but I think it was more like a friendly, and I just like let it go. Mortal Kombat reference. Anyways, what are we doing here, dude? Let's see. 1.24, 1.13. Snap. We're going lower, right? So very, very tight. Very, very slight lower movement. Sorry about that, yawn, dude. Yesterday I was insane, dude. My friends left us their kids. They ended up coming home like around 3:30 in the morning to pick them up. It was so freaking late, dude. So like my wife and I didn't go to bed. We went to bed until very, very late. Then we woke up very early today because we had like a couple things we wanted to get done. So it was a lot of fun, dude. At least we earned a favor. Now whenever we need to go out, they have to like deal with our kids for insane amount of ungodly hours, I guess. Like 3 in the morning or so. So yeah, dude, good stuff. You know, getting IOUs in life is good. Or basically not getting IOUs, but you owe me is good. It's good for me. Anyways, you know, potential action to downside. We're getting that to come down and play to the downside. So not too happy with by seeing this on Ethereum. Again, Bitcoin also has that. Neutral 45.64. Really nothing else here, dude. Low, higher, low, higher, low, right? Low, higher, higher, low. Negative, low on the other side, higher, and then negative to positive. So really nothing. Strong bearish divergence, so. Let's go look at the XRP, dude. XRP, dude, finding support, right? Where do we go? Where do we go, dude? Oh, dude, we managed to get above 27,911. Yeah, yeah, dude. You know, we wanted to do that. What? What's happening? Did I get a follow? Thank you for following me, dude. I'm not sure who followed, but it says Nyron followed my channel. Thank you, Nyron. Thank you for being here. And thank you for that awesome follow, dude. On Twitch. Anyways, price action to the upside, right? Again, we called this one out yesterday. Managed to get above that area, which was really good because I was really worried about XRP, dude. I was really bummed that it was sitting down here. Dude, mainly because I want to see this project proliferate and be good, right? You're welcome. I'm the dude with the long name on YouTube. Oh, dude, Nav, how's it going, dude? Thank you. Thank you for subbing on Twitch, I guess. Stream on Twitch is nicer? What do you mean nicer? Like quality? Like quality sound or what? Yeah, I'm streaming at a higher quality for you. All right. You know, it's weird. The thing is, I'm using like this Restream IO, and it now I do get these messages on YouTube, like saying error. Please use the keyframe frequency from our 4 seconds or less. Current keyframes are not supported, but you know, the whole thing here says I'm sending out at 4.8 frequency, and basically I have no idea how to fix that. Right. All right. It is sending a video bitrate at 2500 kbps. So what the hell is this platform that OBS? I'm trying to fix this real quick, dude. Because yeah, sure. Maybe my frames per second. I'm not sure. Not sure how I'm gonna fix that. Anyways, I'll try to get that done after the stream, dude. I cannot do it right now where I'm live, so. Anyways, we're getting this price action to the upside right now, starting to come down again. Hating that because I really want XRP to be above 29 cents. That's just me, right? Moving down, heading for that 27,911. Will it hold a support for a second time? Still yet to be determined. Tune in tomorrow. Right, we don't know yet, dude. We have this in bullish. We're hoping it plays out stronger. Let's go to the 4 hour, man, because we don't have a lot going on here. Oh, wait, I've had the hidden Bollinger Bands, right? So tighten the Bollinger Bands in the 4 hour, so that's fine. Below the 20. Right, closing right at 20, opening and moving down. So rejection of the 20. Not the strongest. High, lower, high, positive, less positive, high on the other side, lower on the other side, right? So all good. Strong bullish, price action to the upside. Getting the rally, but rejecting 20. Remember what I said, we could come down here again. Right? Below whatever this opening here was, or this closing at 27,856. Right? Create some strong bullish divergence and then try to go for a rally there. Neutral at 42.80 on the RSI. Yay! It's so exciting. Anyways, what else is going on here? Let's see. Let's go to the 1 hour, dude. On the 1 hour chart. Right, bearish divergence, action to downside. We move down. We tried to recover. Are we doing something? Yeah, we ended up creating something. I'm not sure if I missed this one out yesterday. I might have. We already had this developed, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm positive. Alright, so we're going from a high to a low. I just completely skipped this yesterday on XRP, dude. Right, and then a lower point to a higher point. Creating that that strong bullish divergence for price action to the upside. Getting that rally going down again. Below, managing to hold on to a 20. And holding on to the support. Look at that, beautiful, man. We actually closed at 27,830. We do have this at 27,911. Again, very close to it. And then we opened at 27,917. So very close to that area, right? So we closed here at 27,912. So again, very, very close to 27,911. Almost on the dot. And we started to move up there, right? And also here, looking close to that resistance. We open, moved up. Again, hold on to support, sorry. So we're close to the resistance, open at support, and then hold on to support, and then rally, right? Starting to move down, heading for that 20 on the 1 hour. Let's see if we manage to hold on support there. And then go for another bounce, sitting neutral at 49.84 on the RSI. Really not a lot going on, dude. We do have some hidden bearish, right? Against the RSI, right? Just there, man. I won't call it here because we do have one island. I do believe we could play stronger here. Maybe if I wanted to, I could go from here to here. Right? We do have that one bar, which sometimes for me is one of those things where I gotta discriminate whether or not I want to use this bar or just acknowledge it, or discard it. So those are the two options that I have there, right? I think right now I'm gonna consider it a separate island. Hidden bearish, dude. That's why I'm moving down, right? Dude, Ethereum had that, and I just missed it. I'm not sure. I'll go back. High, low, positive, less positive. High on the other side, lower on the other side. No, we didn't have it. Let's go to Litecoin, dude. what is going on here with the Litecoins? At $58.90 again, you know, below 20. Not the best. He didn't have anything bullish, right, like the rest of the coins. Low, higher, low, negative, right? Less negative still, right? Low on their side, still slightly higher on their side. So nothing's still developing here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. We had the bullish divergence, strong price action to the upside, start a rally, but guess what? Look, this is what I'm waiting for the other coins to do. Something very, very similar to this, right? Low, lower low. And then negative momentum to less negative momentum, right? And then low on the other side to a higher point on the other side. So strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. That's for Litecoin on the 4 hour. That's the only thing it has, and it's good. Let's go to the 1 hour. YouTube looks fine now. Could have just been me. Maybe, dude. I'm not sure what your voice sounds like, so it's, you know, I'm just reading it on a weird voice because it's Saturday, and I'm having a blast. 16, 18, slightly more, right? As we're going higher. Let's get snap, dude. High to low. And then low to high, right? Yay! Hidden bearish. Price action to the downside. 58.43, 56, right? High to low, so that's fine. Sitting sold at 38.74 on their side, dude. That's about it, though. Price action to the downside. Everyone, dude, just the market looks like a copy, dude. Like yesterday, right? We all had the same thing. It's all playing the same way. And right now, it's just moving down a little bit. Let's go check out the Binance. What is happening with the Binance? They get $22. 22 bucks, dude. 22 buckaroos. How many Big Macs is that? How many $6 burgers is that? Did they change the name? I think they call it now the Angus because it was no longer $6, dude, in Carl's Jr. That's so annoying. I was like the $6 burger for so long, and it was worth like fucking $7, $10, dude. If you want to eat a burger, you know, what the hell, dude? Right, so no longer a $6 burger, I guess. 21 bucks and 98 cents. I guess you could buy like a couple, like, you know, 3 6-packs maybe with 21 bucks, probably, depending on what you get. Well, if you get the craft beer, you're probably paying like probably up to $9 for a 6-pack, especially if you get like one of those like build your own stuff. So yeah. Maybe 2 6-packs of craft beer. Yay! That's the price of Binance. Dude, moving down a little bit, right? What does it have on the daily? Let's look at the daily, man. Again, bearish divergence, hidden bullish. Yay, the rest of the market had it. Price action to the upside, so unique. Right now it's moving lower than what it recovered yesterday. That's not good. I mean, it's not necessarily bad. We're still making hidden bullish, but, you know, it's not good because it could be a premonition as to what could happen with the rest of the market, right? All crypto could start going below what they managed to make yesterday. So meaning they're losing, and they will all still have hidden bullish. But yesterday we were confident that we're gonna get that rally, and today if we get there, I'm not so confident we're gonna get that rally again. Depending on whether or not we develop strong bullish divergence on the 1 hour or the 4 hour time scales, but you know. So let's go to the 4 hour, man. Yay, strong bullish divergence. Yeah. To there, and yeah, all to there, dude. That's all good, dude. Still, we have it, right? Strong bullish price action to the upside, turn rally, failing to get to the 20 and starting to do a turnaround. Oh, bright eyes. Sitting at 41.53 on the other side. Let's go to the 1 hour. High. Higher high. Positive, less positive. Yeah, hidden bearish. Price action be to the downside. And we're losing to 20, by the way. Tightening on the Bollinger Band. That's good. We're going to get an explosive move. I'm just hoping it's not to the downside. Come on, crypto. It's going to be Sunday, so I'm hoping, dude. I'm not sure if we're going to get it, though. That we get a easy-going Sunday. Right? I'm going to chillax. Drink some beers. Drink some whiskey. Drink something. I have a lot of alcohol here on my side. I just noticed that. Fuck that. I want to drink something, and yeah, why not? Let's hope we have a easy Sunday, and then maybe Sunday night it could start to pick up by like 7 p.m. when China comes online, right? Why not? That could be good. Me too, man. I hope stay sideways tomorrow. Closing might be far. Yeah. Let's see what's happening, dude. By the time we get to like market closing, right? Weekly closing, we'll see. I hope we get some pushback up. We can have a red week, but maybe recover a little bit more and not have a bearish engulfing week. Bearish engulfing candles are usually a reversal pattern, right? So look, we'll check them out here for y'all. Bearish engulfing candle. There we go. I know. Let's find a good site. Investopedia. Bearish engulfing pattern definition and tactics. Alright, so what's a bearish engulfing pattern? A bearish engulfing pattern is a technical chart pattern that signals a lower price is to come. The pattern consists of an up, white or green candlestick followed by a large black or red candlestick that eclipses or engulfs the smaller up candle. The pattern then can be important because it shows sellers have overtaken the buyers and are pushing the price more aggressively down, right? So that's what we're looking for. That's why I said we were probably bearish engulfing on the weekly. Right, so I'm going to leave this here for Binance, really. I'm not finding anything bullish. I'll go back to Bitcoin, though, and show you what I'm talking about on the weekly, right? So, look, right? It's more than this previous candle. So, again, we could be doing a bearish engulfing. That could potentially mean that we could be getting, we could be topping out here. We haven't had a bearish engulfing before, I think. This was 934, 946, right? Barely engulfed the previous candle, right? But we did a reversal, which was good. And that set the tone for sideways motion. So again, we could be getting a bearish engulfing. We could try to go for a reversal and maybe get sideways motion here after that, right? We did get sideways motion for a couple weeks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks after that. So this could become the new normal if we manage to pull that off. Let's hope it's not the beginning of the reversal, right? We don't want to see that. So again, there's an educational part to this show, right? It's not just me like talking and ranting and running wild and oh no. There we go. RSI. See the mag out there as well. Dude, chat's quiet. What's up, dude? Hype in the chat. Come on, guys. Get it going. Get like brew something in the chat. Make the chat go wild, man. Look at this crazy looking thing on the other side, dude. It went all the way overbought, right to 0. It went all the way, all the way oversold, then all the way overbought to 100, and then all the way oversold to 0 again, then getting it bounced. It's just so freaking insane. What the hell, dude? It really didn't move a lot, right? It's just sideways, and then it just got this wild freaking moves, dude. Anyways, bearish divergence, right? So where's that bearish divergence, man? There was that going higher point, and then here is a coming lower point, and then we have the bearish divergence, right? But Mama said alligators are ornery because they're something I can't remember. They got all their teeth but no toothbrush. Dude, we have bearish divergence. So price action to downside, we got it. Fuck, man. We're getting something bullish. Yeah. Hidden bullish, yay, right? Going from a low point to a higher low, and then going from negative momentum to more negative momentum, right? And a high point on the other side to a lower point on the other side, even though we're going higher. So, hidden bullish, right? Potential for action to the upside, or at least stalling at this area. Let's see if that happens. It's DVT on the 1 hour. Let's go on the 4 hour. Jill Torin, have you gotten your in here yet? No, I don't think so, right? You're still waiting for an in at 5? 5 and change, probably? Oh, yeah. We're creating bullish divergence strong, dude. The bullish divergence is strong with you. Right, so low, lower low, negative momentum, less negative momentum, right? Even here, right? Shorter term. Right, low point on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. Wow, potential for action to the upside, dude. That's good. I'm getting warnings here. Why? I'm getting insane warnings here. Anyways, hey, that's it. We have some bullish stuff. Something to look forward to, right? Maybe get a rally going on here on DVT. Let's go to daily. Yeah, a couple people watching on YouTube. Thank you guys for being here. You guys are amazing. If you feel like what we do, hit that like that button, that's up. On the daily, what's going on, right? Not a lot, right? We had the hidden bearish. We had the hidden bearish divergence. Right now, we no longer have it, right? Just need to anchor to there. There we go. Right, so we're going from a high point to a lower point, and then going from positive momentum to more positive momentum, right? So with that, we're getting this hidden bearish potential action to downside. We're moving down. I'm not sure this has finished playing out though, but again, we're creating something bullish in the 4 hours. So hopefully, it could get us some stagnation happening here. Maybe the pump to come, because we don't have anything else that's bullish yet. So that's it. Let's go here, dude. There's no other markets because gold, silver, and the rest of the markets are out for the Saturday, so it's good. I like that. So I'll take requests if you guys don't have any requests. That's gonna be it for tonight. Music's like very dark today, dude. Down in the bog, and it sounds like very metal-y, dude. I mean, I like Techno Axe, but lately, what's been coming on the random selection is just like very odd. By the way, you guys want to know what's insane? I told my dad to buy a stock a while back. When I say a while back, I was talking like a couple days. And I'm not sure if he got into it. I'll show you why he should have gotten into it. This is Momenta Pharmaceuticals, dude. Right? Look at this. I told him to get it here. On the 11th. We were chatting. We're looking at this. Look at that, dude. Beautiful, right? 27 bucks and 83 cents. Look at this, dude. Damn. $52.32, bro. What? Just went insane, dude. Look at that, right? Look at that, dude. It's an insane rally in a couple days, dude. 6-day bars, right? 7 days if I go here. So 7 days, you would have gotten 87%. What? Dude, that was so freaking crazy, dude. Yeah. You should have gone in. I'm not sure if you got in. Oh, but listen. These I have open for a while, dude. Probably when I was looking at BXRX as well, right? When I was calling this in and it managed to go up. This one didn't go up as much as I would have liked to, but you know it's stock, so they go up a little bit different. So you know, like 2 more days, so 6 days, and 24% gains, right, on Bowdox Bio. And this one I picked because it was looking like it could rally really from divergence. I was oversold, you know, big chances for it to go up. And then what else did I tell him? I think those were the ones that we were looking at. But yeah. So we got a request. We got a request from Nav. SCRB, can I check out Ample? Thanks for streaming. Yeah, dude, no problem. We can check out Ample. Just we had a request for XRP ADA. I'm not sure if I can pair that, dude. Nope. Let me see, dude. I'm not sure if I can get that pair going on there. First of all, I typed XRO, so just give me one quick second there. I doubt that XRP is paired to ADA, at least in the exchanges that I'm looking at here, dude. Let's see, XRP to the dollar, to Bitcoin, to the euro, to the Tether, to the Bitcoin, to the perp. The perpetual futures. To the Mexican peso, to the Japanese yen, to Canadian dollar, Turkish lira, Binance coin, Ethereum, Australian dollar, British pound, Turkish lira. Nope, it's not paired against that, so I cannot look at it, dude. Sorry about that. But we already did XRP, dude. Not the pair. You meant two separate charts. All right, cool. Look, yeah, sure, man. I can do XRP again. No biggie. I'll do one of the pairs. Then I'll check out AMPL because you got to request it, and then I'll go back to Cardano, and then I'll go to Ethereum, I guess. So that's another request. So yeah, cool. Ripple. Right on. So hidden bullish. We called that one out. Price action to the upside. We got the rally coming, and that's great, right? High. So low, lower, low, right? As we go into a higher price. So finally that support that we're really prone we're gonna get. We actually, when we were anchoring this yesterday, we were like down there. So today, you know, fix it to where we're at. And again, trying to go up, but still below 20. Bollinger Bands tight, but a little bit tight, but not so tight, right? As we probably had back here. Or way back here. I can't remember when we had a lot of tightness in the Bollinger Bands, dude. But we're starting to get tight, right? And we could get a wild move coming in. That's the only thing I look for Bollinger Bands for. Neutral 51.80. Negative momentum still building, so no signs of negative momentum decreasing. With that, let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, XRP is frozen. There we go. That works. All right, so we're going from a low to a lower low. We called that one out yesterday also, right? We're calling for a strong bullish divergence near support. We managed to hold on to that support, rally, but right now we're facing the 20 simple moving average and we're rejecting. So potentials right now, we either move back to 27,911 and try to go for another bounce, or we really put on our running shoes and we try to burst through that 20 simple moving average and really show the world what XRP is made out of. I'm not sure if we're going to get the latter. Sitting at 42.45 on the RSI, so neutral. And with that, let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour. All right, high, low, low, high, hidden bearish price action to the downside. We had this yesterday. Strong bullish divergence against the RSI. Price action to the upside. We got it right. Beautiful. All right. Started pump. Managed to hold on to a 20 right now. I think when we did this, we're still not at the 20 yet, but we're still managed to close above there. And I'm hoping it managed to stay there. Again, high to lower high, and then going from a lower point to a higher point on the MACD. And on the RSI, so we have that hidden bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside, and that's what's stalling XRP and making it move down. So again, hold on. Let's wait and see what happens when we get to 20. If we fell to 20, we really could be looking for 27,911 retest. Maybe even coming lower than here, right? It wouldn't be weird if we came lower than whatever this was. So 27,531, right? Like get down here. You know, I'm just gonna do this very micro because I don't want to like draw a lot off to the side, but you know, make negative momentum, make a higher point on the RSI, right, and then anchor from here to here, right? And say, oh no, we're going lower. And then, you know, people will be freaked out, and then we could be going to there, right? So from a low point on the RSI, from negative momentum to less negative momentum, and on the RSI from a low point to a higher point. And with that, we could be really looking for that rally to come in, right? On strong bullish divergence. Now, do I like that? No, because we're going to face the 20 as resistance. And we don't want to face, not the 20, but 27,911 as resistance. And we don't want to face the 27,911 as resistance because we know it could be a strong resistance. Look at that, man. Here, we opened there, moved down. Then we rejected it a couple times, managed to close there. Finally opened and moved up. And then here, we managed to hold it as support. So again, it could become a strong resistance. So don't want to see it there. With that, that's XRP. I'm going to go over and look at AMPL real quick on our request. And then I'll come back and look at Cardano. Ample. Dude, SCRB, do you want me to look at Ample to Ethereum pair or Ample to the dollar and then Ethereum separately? Because I didn't get it. I don't know if it was clear. It wasn't too clear how you requested it. So, because you first requested Ample, so I'm not sure why you want me to pair it to. Just by the way, when you guys request something, I'll look at it, right? I don't mind. Just try to be clear, though. If you want to set Ample to the dollar, just say Ample/dollar. That's why it's believed that XRP wasn't paired against Cardano, right? Because that's usually how I type it here. Ethereum. All right, you want me to pair it against Ethereum. All right, cool. Ample to Ethereum. All right, on KuCoin. What? All right, cool. We'll check this out, dude. It's just listed on KuCoin. KU coin. All right, we'll see. Snap, not a lot of info here. All right, so on the daily, I cannot do anything because really we don't have enough bars here for to start really counting anything. So I can tell you that at least on this chart, you're making, you made all-time lows, and then you're trying to make a recovery to your previous time high. That's about the only thing I can see here. So I'm gonna go to the 4-hour, man, see if we can, chart something there a little bit better. Right. I'll just go with this one here, right? So right, you're going on the price. You can tell you're decreasing, right? You're going from a high point to a lower point, creating that strong bullish divergence potential for price action to the upside. You don't have it against the RSI, so it's okay, really. Nothing to worry about there, right? You would have it against the RSI from way back here, though. Right? Like that. Right, so strong bullish against the MACD and the RSI. Just anchoring from different points for each of the oscillators. Then that's fine. It's still strong bullish, right? It's going to play. It did manage to move to the upside. You rejected the 20, started to move slightly down, and then really managed to break above this area. Get into the 20, right? Using it as support. Finally, using it as a trampoline, bouncing, and then rejecting higher prices, right? You can tell this is bearish. It's really rejecting going higher than here. So as we're coming in higher, right? Make this high, so more positive momentum higher on the RSI. So from the previous high and the previous positive momentum island, I'm going to ignore this one. It's too tiny for the chart, and I'm going from the high to the high. Just going from a high to a lower high, and that's fine. But here, right, you're going from a low to a high, creating some hidden bearish, so potential for price action to the downside. You did move down, hit the 20, right, as we would expect to test it for support. Managed to find support there, and then rally. Now, on that rally, you're going from a high to a higher high, right? And you're going lower on the RSI, so you're looking at strong bearish divergence still developing here. And you no longer have it against the RSI, but you also have it against the against the MACD, but you also have it against the RSI, right? So potential for the price action to go to the downside. So it means it's probably going to lose ground against Ethereum. So if you're going to get out to Ethereum, you're probably going to be the project going to be worth less against Ethereum, right, when paired against that coin. With that said, I'm going to move over to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I'm just going to look short term. Short term, that's all I care about here, right? Because we want to see what's going to happen like almost immediately, right? So we're going higher, right? And we are coming lower here, right? So positive, less positive, right? Every time. So strong bearish divergence. Price action to the downside. You don't only have it against the MACD, but also against the RSI, right? There we go. So again, that price, it's very real strong bearish divergence, right? That movement down could see us hit the 20, and if we do, we're gonna test that support again. And if we fell there at support, we're probably gonna break below. We're looking for lower prices. Do we have something else here? Let's see. Low, higher, low, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI, higher on the RSI. Nothing there. Low, higher, low. All right. Yeah, we created some hidden bullish, right? From here to here, and from Hizzy to Hizzy. And yeah, that's it though, right? So again, hidden bullish, right? So we start to get the rally, getting above the 20, that's good. And then getting the strong bearish, we could start looking for price action to the downside, right? Sitting bought at 60.14 on the RSI. The volume band looks fine on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour real quick again. A little bit expanded on the 4 hour, so it's fine. But sitting bought at 66.71, and then on the daily, I'm not getting anything else. Not even the Bollinger Bands are showing up. I'm just getting the 20. And as you can tell, right, these are 20 periods previous to this chart, right? So 1, 2, 3, 6. Look, I'll just measure real quick for you guys. But look at that, right? 19 bars, right? 19 days, right? 19 days. That's why it starts here, the 20 simple moving average. And I cannot get this because for the MACD, I use a 12. I use a 12 count and a 26 count for days, right? So it hasn't 26 days haven't elapsed yet, right? And the RSI also takes into account a couple days, so it's at least taken 15 days into account for the RSI. So 14 days for the RSI, right? I have 14 here. So that's why we don't get data to show up here on this chart right now. So that's it's not like we're doing wizardry. It's just if you don't have enough data to start charting. Well, you just don't have enough data. You're still limited on what you can do. With that said, dude, I hope you were like that. And thank you for joining us. And if you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub, dude. I'm not sure if you've subscribed to this channel yet, but if you have, thank you for being here, dude. Yeah, no worries, bro. We're here for whatever you guys need. So all questions are welcome, and anything you really want to talk about, sure, dude. Like no worries, right? And thanks for getting into crypto and being new and interested. It's good, man. So yeah, awesome, bro. What projects are you into? Anyways, Nav asked for Cardano. Let's look at Cardano, dude. We haven't looked at Cardano in a couple days. I've just been skipping over it. Where's my ADA Cardano? Here it is. Oh snap. Last thing we're looking for here was some hidden bullish, right? And we did manage to get that rally, but rejected the 20. As you can tell, we're getting tight between the 20 and these rising channels. Tightness and exploding to the downside. More negative momentum, lower on the other side. So if we want to anchor anything from here to there, we're going lower, more negative, and then we wouldn't have anything. So this one played up, slightly got tight right in between this small triangle that we manufacture here, right? That line there, orange. This line there, yellow, and then move down. So exploding to the downside. It's fine. We had also something else here, but this is from a short time scale, and for some reason it's showing up here. Again, sometimes I struggle with the charts. I thought Cardano was clean already, but it looks like it wasn't. Let's go to the 4 hour. We haven't looked at. Oh, we looked at Cardano sort of recently, I guess, right? On the 16th. All right, we're looking for a divergence here. Obviously, we didn't get it right. This was when all crypto went up a little bit. So unless this is from the. You know what? I'm probably gonna see if this is anchored to the 1 hour. Yeah, it's from the 1 hour, dude. Oh, it's not from here. How do I know it's from the 1 hour? Because it makes no sense where this line's at, right? If I was charting on the 4, it'd probably be around here. So we don't have anything there. It's floating way up in the middle of nowhere, so it's from the 1 hour. Yay! All right, cool. So right on, dude. We do have something going on here, right? We had some bearish divergence here, strong, right? Low, high, high, low. But we ended up going from a high to a higher high. Going from positive momentum to less positive momentum. Creating strong bearish divergence for potential for price action to the downside. We started to move down since then. Tightness off the Bollinger Bands also, it looks like we wanted to explode to the upside and expand the Bollinger Bands to the upside. The fact that we created divergence really pushed this down. And look at that, man. Moving down. Let's see, dude. Lower low, right? Is this in the 4 hours now? Am I anchored properly? No, I'm not, dude. Snap. Dang it. I'm going to have to redo this real quick. Let's make sure it's just going to be on the 4 hour, man. I don't want to go into the 1 hour and messing up our 1 hour charting. Our awesome 1 hour charting techniques. There we go, right? So again, right, there we go. So strong bullish potential for action to the upside. Starting to get the rally. Not looking strong, right? We're probably going to face a 20, see if we're going to test sales resistance, actually. And see if we get above that. It wouldn't be weird if we reject it, came back lower, and made more negative momentum. And then we really called divergence to another island and also have it against the RSI. It's certainly much stronger when we have it against a couple of oscillators, not just the one. So, there's a bigger chance it's going to play out, right? So, he's across a couple things. Anyways, yeah, what charts am I using? Is that TradingView? Yes, it is TradingView, dude. I am using, right now, this is Cardano to the dollar on Binance, 4 hour chart. And it is TradingView, dude. I am on the TradingView website. So you can probably even see the TradingView logo here. But yeah, I'm on the TradingView website. And I am using dark mode. And, yeah. Yep. Hope that answers the question, dude. Let's go into 1 hour. Alright, so I was looking for something bullish. We don't have it, right? We did have it from here to here, right? So, I'll just point out some stuff here of the past, which obviously matters not because we cannot take decisions on the past. We had some strong bullish there, right? I just want to point this out because now you're going to see where I'm going to anchor from low, lower low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower on the RSI, right? Here we're creating bearish divergence, No, right, going slightly higher, coming in lower like that. So strong bearish divergence, action to downside, hit the 20, try to find support, try to rally, but we failed at the rally, and we just broke down. Right, so as you can tell, we're going slightly higher here, right? And we're coming in here lower again, and you know, creating strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Not against the RSI yet. Against the RSI, we're good. We're cool. We're chill, man. Tell the chart to chill. We're chill, charty bunny. You know, we're starting to move down, dude. Below 20. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands. We might get a wild move. You know, who knows? Right now, I just have strong bearish divergence. We haven't developed any strong bullish. For strong bullish divergence to develop, this needs to go lower than this price here. That would be a closing at 0.12 cents, so 0.1203 cents, right? If it gets below that, right, and we have less negative momentum and we're higher on our side, we're creating strong bullish divergence, and then we could be trying to go for a rally after that. Ooh, Bitcoin 11,610. Wow. Wowza. Losing the 20. It is 11. It is a new chart, and we just opened the new hour. Come on, open up the new candle, because we just lost the 20. Open up the new candle already. There we go. Right, trying to regain that 20 and rejecting slightly. Ooh, I'm not liking that, dude. We're tight on the Bollinger Bands. We could go explosive move, and we could go down. Again, we could find support here, right, at the 25% line of the rising equidistant channel. So let's see how that plays out, right? What else are we doing? Awesome, dude. We gained 2 subs today. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being so amazing. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub, right? You guys are amazing, dude. Need Asia to start increasing volume so low right now. Well, dude. Yeah, Asia's online right now, but it's the weekend, dude. Right? A lot of people don't trade on the weekend. A lot of people actually take it easy on the weekend. It's just us sick people that are looking at charts all the time. No, I'm kidding, dude. You know, it is a weekend. Sometimes it tends to be slow on the weekends, particularly right now when we're trying to gain ground. It could be slow, right? How do we not call a bear? How do we not call it head and shoulders in some coin? I can't remember which one. Potential level top on XRP, right? We called that one out. I think it was on Ethereum that we called something. We called it in a side chart, so I'm not sure which one we called something on. Not here, not here, not here. Oh, snap. So I can't remember. I know we were looking at a potential head and shoulders somewhere, and we didn't, right? So again, a double potential level top here. Sorry. Yeah, double top, dude. Try to see what we're gonna do there. Ah, snap, dude. Thoughts and impacts of election on stocks, crypto market. I know it's a spicy topic. Yeah, dude, I've discussed that before. Right, thoughts on stock market, dude. Yeah, it gets touchy, but all right, the stock market, I do believe it's being manipulated to a certain extent because look, I was seeing this article. I was showing to my dad yesterday. I'm not sure if I left it open. Just give me one quick second. I want to make sure. I just want to verify if I have an article open. Nope. Do I have it here on this other one? Maybe I have it here. I do. Awesome, dude. It's this one, right? That says, it's from Forbes. It's a little bit old, dude. It's from April 29th of this year. But it says, Wall Street's long-term disconnect from Main Street pretends tough times ahead, right? What are they talking about? You cannot be having unemployment. You cannot be having, like, you know, companies like JCPenney go out of business. You cannot be having companies like State Mart file for Chapter 11. Or, yeah, I think they filed for Chapter 11. I saw that in the news. Let me confirm that real quick, though. I know because I was looking at Steinmart and it had SMRT, dude. There it is, right on Nasdaq. I know because I was looking at it the other day. It had divergence. I was like, man, it's probably good in for Steinmart, right? It's at 7 cents. It could really go up high. You can get back to 30 cents, maybe here, even here at the 20. It'll be like, an insane gain, dude. And I started going through the news, and I was like reading, and I was like, oh, dude, Steinmart to close 279 locations through going out of business sales. Steinmart files for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. So you're seeing companies struggle right now through COVID, and stock market's making all-time highs. Does that sound like it connects in your brain? How can the stock market be doing so good when a lot of companies are going out of business, when a lot of companies are struggling, when people are struggling with work, where money is not being enough, to where even government has to be sending out aids to people? So I do believe that, hey, IQ5, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. I do believe that the stock market is being kept afloat, right? A lot of people are putting their, money or stimulus checks into buying crypto, into buying other things. Even Forbes came out with an article saying, dude, you should buy crypto. It's, there's a disconnect between Main Street and Wall Street, right? So Wall Street's going all-time highs, and Main Street is just freaking suffering. There was even a picture on Twitter the other day of a house with a very nice front, right? And it was like Wall Street, and then the back was like completely destroyed, right? And that's Main Street. So, the facade is that the economy is doing great, but we know the economy is not doing great because there's so many people hurting out there. So I do believe the stock market has been manipulated for political purposes. Particularly, look, I don't want to get political, right? I don't care about I don't care about either of the parties that are out there right now, or any of the candidates are going on for presidency. But one of the candidates based his previous presidency run on the fact that the economy was going to be better if he was in power, so he cannot end his presidency with the economy being worse than when he came in. So if he wants to win another election, he has to show that the economy is strong. So there is that thing, right? Housing market still going up. Meanwhile, 45% have not made mortgage payments in the last 3 months. You're gonna get right, dude. We're probably gonna get another short, right? Like we're probably gonna have another bubble burst, like we did in 2008. But again, governments are still bailing out companies, right? And not only that, dude, that article I was showing you, I do have another one. It was this one because I was looking at how it was being the CARES Act, how it was being distributed, right? It was also from 4 months ago. I don't like this, right? All the money, right, that they're sending out, right, out of the large corporations that took 25% of the whole $2 trillion that got printed. Airline industry took $58 billion, right? And that went to wages and benefits, wages and benefits of cargo, airlines, contractors, airlines, and required for national security, right? That's fine. I don't like the fact that a lot of the airline companies started buying back stock, right? Instead of really being a company that is responsible and that is coming up with a plan to really go through tough times and come up ahead when shit gets tough. They now all look for a handout from the government, right? Everyone's looking for the government to save them. And I remember a couple days ago, or not a couple days ago, when that was coming out, I even said, dude, the airlines are holding the government hostage because what they were saying is, well, if you don't give us the money, we're going to fire, I can't remember, I think it was like 600,000 people, right? So if you either give us money, we're going to fire 600,000 people, right? We're going to put them on the street. So now you're going to have to take care of them, right? So either you take care of us or you take care of them. So, it looks like that's the kind of negotiation that these big companies are doing, right? So government has to step in and say, okay, well, I'll give you money, don't fire the people because we really don't want a lot of unemployment coming in because that's probably going to raise crime rate and that's going to turn into this and this is going to turn into that. And, we're going to have to give more money for unemployment, whatever. So it turns into other problems. So these companies, they come up ahead because they're buying back stock. They perform bad, right? Like, why? Dude, that's the whole point. Like, you create a company, you're responsible for the company and the people that are there, right? And a lot of these companies just care about, like, the CEO just cares about how he's going to be pleasing the board of directors and the shareholders so he can cash in a bigger paycheck. He doesn't care about the employees. He doesn't really care about the people, although they all come out with a speech that they do care about the people. They care about the employees. They're so happy about their customers. They don't. All they care about is about their bottom line, how much money they're going to put into their pockets. That is the truth. That's why a lot of companies, their loyalties are to the shareholders, not to the employees and to the people, right? And that's where the model is becoming broken. Right, that's where the model breaks. Yes, the shareholders are the ones that are forking the money for the company to be able to do stuff, but the company has a responsibility to be able to say no to the shareholders, right? And say, look, excuse me, dude, but I cannot give you back that money right now because we're gonna get affected by this, right? So we're not gonna pay dividends, you know. Whatever, dude. There's ways the companies could be doing that. They could set up a bank on the side, right? They could set up an account on the side for these things, right? That account could be invested into something else, right? So it's not just sitting there losing money every day because it's losing value, but you can put it into something that's going to give you a certain return. And with that, you could pay out, or at least create a sort of bag for when something like this happens, right? And at least you're planning to run business for maybe 3 to 6 months without like your business going, right? So you have to have a business continuity plan in case something like this happens, to where you don't have to fire employees. You're able to pay some people, or at least keep some key employees, and fire, the ones you maybe don't need the ones you need the least. There's ways to go about it, dude. But companies are not responsible. Look at the small restaurants, right? I saw 2 scenarios when this happened. There were restaurants that, said, well, we have to close business. There's really nothing we can do. And there's restaurants that, started delivering. Like, we cannot accept people. That's fine. But we're not going to give up. We're going to start delivering, even if that means I have to put the waiter stuff or the waiting staff to get on foot or on a bike and go out and, take food to people, right? And you saw those 2 mentalities, right? People saying, oh, well, I can't do anything. I have to close my doors. Guys, I'm going to have to fire you. I have to let you go. And there's those ones that really were fighting to really keep the doors open and, keep paying the bills and keep paying their people. And I think those companies are the ones that are worth backing, you're right, and helping, and not the ones that, they're just like, oh, close the doors. Oh, government, I need help. Send me money because, I'm going to go out of business, dude, so you got to give me money. Why? It's not the government's responsibility to bail out the companies. It's the company's responsibility to be able to bail out itself. So now we've become it's become a country where it doesn't matter what the company does. If shit hits the fan, the government is going to have to step in to save the company. It's not that, dude. The government doesn't have to bail out the company, right? The government has to keep people happy. The government is there to set up rules and make sure that people can coexist within the nation, right? But sometimes also governments overstep that boundary, and they think they have to dictate what people can do, which is not the truth, right? The government should be doing what the majority of people want to do. That's what they get elected by the majority, so they can represent what the majority of people want to do. And if other people don't want to do it, they can go live somewhere else, right? Period. Whatever, dude. This can go on forever. Anyways, AccuFive saying they told us no more bailouts, only bail-ins now. I guess, yeah, dude. If you're a friend of the politician, you're probably gonna get bailed out. We're not gonna fill this until next year. Yeah, dude, I agree with you. We're not feeling the full impacts. They have not been measured. I've talked about that before also. Yes, Q2 came out, and a lot of companies were performing bad. We already seen companies go out of business. JCPenney closing its doors, being sold to Amazon, I believe. Steinmart, like I said, going into Chapter 11. We're going to see a lot of companies, particularly retail, right? Brick and mortar, the ones that don't have their electronic game or their internet game set up properly, right, or hardcore, are the ones that are going to be suffering, right? Pop and mom shops, right? Brick and mortar shops. Those ones that have to pay warehousing and are not able to move their product because they only have physical locations, not online presence, are struggling. Those are the companies. If you want to help or you want to buy, try to buy from those companies because that's where you're helping the economy. If you buy from Amazon, if you buy from, I'm not saying don't buy from them, right? Like Best Buy Online, yes, you're getting what you need, but there's other people that don't have access to those channels that are struggling. So if it costs you like $1 more, $2 more to buy it at a mom and pop shop, instead of buying it on Amazon, try to go to that mom and pop shop and help out the economy, right? Anyways, Nav saying, I've been trying to support local businesses, North America made stuff. Yeah, dude, that's cool. AccuFive saying, nice stream, good info. Thanks, dude. SCRB saying, do I have any up and coming coins on my radar? Yeah, dude, I have one. I talk about it. I don't push it that hard because again, it's up to you guys. But you guys have to do. I do believe I'm a firm believer on do your own research, right? So I can mention coins. I can look at whatever you guys want. But ultimately, it's up to you what you want to look at. So I do have a coin that I'm into right now that I'm invested in, that I'm holding, and that I talk about. I do the analysis of DVT. Right, this project is very cheap. It's like 7.8 sats. It is a really good project, dude. I would suggest that you check it out. Right, let me show you here DVT. All volume that gets traded on DVT is real. There's no wash trading. There's no fake volume. It's mineable. If you don't want to mine it, you just put it in your wallet. As long as you have 25,000 unmoved DVT, you can get cold rewards, which is amazing. You get like 12% a year cold rewards, which is really cool. Now, right, no coins just give you money for staking. It's not staking it, right? You're not doing proof of stake. You just get paid for holding it, right? It's like getting interest on the coins, which is really good. Anyways, the vault right now is worth 0.0009 cents, so it has a lot of upside. It's getting last month it got into 3 different trade. Got into BlockDex, Fry, and another exchange. I can't remember which one right now. But last month it got into 3 exchanges, right? So it's gonna keep on growing probably. It's community governance, right? One vote, one crypto, one vote. So it has a really good DAO system. So yeah, I like the project, dude. That's one of the projects I'm looking at, in that I have placed a sizable stake in. I'm not gonna show my full purse on the project, but this is I have some on the exchange. But again, this is a wallet, and I don't want to get too much into this. But I'll show you real quick though, right? Right, it's sinking, but again, I get these cold rewards. It just means that I'm getting from those unspent nodes, right? Cold rewards that are coming in on the 22nd today, right? Cold rewards, right? 300. So I'm getting those 300 cold rewards from probably something. I can't remember what, but something's giving me cold rewards today. Yay, cold rewards. 720. Probably this one from 720. It's giving me cold rewards, maybe. Right, yeah, it looks like it could be this one from the 20th. I haven't had anything before that, and I received money here, 30,020. So that's the one that's probably paying me this. Then if I wanted to check, I would go here and I go cold rewards, and it would tell me that they all paid. So this one's the one that just paid. It says 0 now because it's reset. And then this one's about to pay again, that 50,000 one. Anyways, I just wanted to show you my holdings here. Again, it's not massive. It's a good chunk, right? It's like 583,000, and that's not all, dude. I have more in the exchange, and I have more on the Vault Discord. So with that, I would tell you, dude, that if I go with this amount that it's worth right now, I'm already 2.5 times into my money. So I went in with $250, and it was worth, last time I checked, around almost $600, $590 plus dollars, right? So it's not a bad jump. I went with less than $250. It just depends on the conversion rate, because I had to buy with pesos and then convert to dollars and then buy Bitcoin and then send it to that other exchange, and then I got hit with a shitload of commissions along the way. Oh fudge, dude! I just dropped the water. Do I have something? Yeah, I have a handkerchief here. That wasn't good. My bad. Dude, I hope there was nothing here that was like that could get damaged. Oh no. My notes. Yeah, shit happens, dude. Yeah, dude, I would suggest DVT. Look into it, dude. Again, it's not investment advice. I cannot give you investment advice. I would just tell you to look into that project. I do believe it has potential. I do believe it has a lot of potential long term, right? So look, imagine this just goes to 100 sats from where it's at, right? You're buying near 10, maybe it's. I think we said it was like worth 7 point change sats, maybe. Right, so we'll go here again. 7.8, right? So you're buying it at like less than 10 sats. If it goes to 100, you're making 1,000 times your money, right? So you're making 10 times your dough. Is it a good entry? Yeah. Does he have a lot of upside? Yeah. Does he have some downside? It's not a lot, right? Even if it goes down a little bit, Jill Torrens waiting for an in here because he's been looking at the project also. He wants to get in around 5. I don't think he's triggered yet. But, if you want to get into this, set up your entry point. If it goes to 5 and you get in at 5, that's great. I'm not sure if it's going to go back down to 5. It hasn't since last time it was there, right? I think we wicked it here on July 28th. But since, we have not gotten back to 5. And it seems to be stabilizing around this area now, 7.8, right? Before that, it was a little bit lower. Before that, even lower. Before that, I get a lot of chop. But, it's a good project, right? I'm looking at the daily, by the way, right? Lowest it's been worth is like 17, and that was on January 2020, right? So, again, 1.7 sats. It says 62, but it's just 6 sats, 0.2. I don't know. For some reason, this exchange has it that way. But, you can join the Discord. You can join the Discord. They're cool people there. It's a cool team. And they'll answer any question that you have. I'm not sure how much water I spilled. I think I spilled most of it. At least it's not a laptop, because I would have been really pissed. I spilled it all on the keyboard, dude. I think I would have shorted a laptop with that spill. Just the beauty of a keyboard is that, it's not plugged directly into the computer. It is plugged to the computer, but not like that. Anyways, you know what I mean. Sorry guys, I'm gonna shake the water out of the keyboard. No lies, dude. Look at that, all that water like coming out of the keyboard, man. Make it rain. Keyboard water, man. It's good for you. It's like vitaminize with electrolytes from the computer. Dude, there's so much water coming out of the keyboard, dude. I did really spill a lot. I did, spilled a lot of water, dude. Snap. Sorry about that. I don't want to type crazy numbers here. No. There we go. We'll come back to here, dude. Anyways, snap. Fortnite Rare! Hey, bro, I got a question about investing. Am I an investor? Yeah, I am an investor. Thank you for asking, by the way. Thank you for being here. Sorry about that. You seeing me, cleaning around the keyboard, dude. I'm sorry about that. Ranting and stuff. I hope you're still with us, but yeah, I'm an investor. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub, right? Because we want to grow this channel. It's freaking awesome. It's a freaking awesome crypto channel. I'm not sure if that Fortnite dude's still with us. Trying to gauge. No, I think he might have left. Sorry, crypto Fortnite Rare dude. Thank you for joining us. Sorry about not answering to you quicker. I wish I would have gotten back to you quicker, but I was busy, cleaning up water spills. Anyways, what's going on with this, right? I don't know, so I was telling you guys, right? Stenmark, doing horrible. So it's not a good in right now, right? It could have looked like a good in, but I don't think it's a good in anymore. Because they're final for Chapter 11. Yay! Dude, there was so much water, dude. I can probably squeeze this yeah, if I squeeze this handkerchief, a lot of water comes out, dude. Snap. We've been live for an hour and 20 minutes, I think. An hour and 21 minutes. Yay. Alright, so guys, I think I'm going to call it a stream for tonight. I'm not sure how many people are still with me. After I went, nuts trying to, clean my keyboard. But, thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? I'm just going to say yes to you, dude. Fortnite, dude. Yeah, no problem, dude. Nav, thank you for being here, man. I appreciate it. No worries, dude. Thank you for coming. Thank you for showing up for this awesome stream on this awesome Saturday night. I hope you're having a great time, dude. I hope you really have a blast. And again, it's also a genuine pleasure being here, dude. And chill with you guys and talk about crypto, talk about markets, whatever you guys want to look at. Again, keep an eye out for Bitcoin, right? Try to see if we hold on to supports and then see where we go from there. Oh no, 11,600. We're losing it. We're losing it. That's the daily. Let's go to the 1 hour, dude. Oh no. We want to go for 11,500. No, not again. Go up. Anyways, that's going to be it for tonight, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Same time, same show, same... I don't know. Insert comment. Anyways, thank you for being here, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thank you. Until then.